In the previous chapters, I already mentioned the channels briefly. Now it's time to go deeper and explore the possibilities they open up for creating stunning visuals. Beyond the X and the Y axis, ipyvizzu offers 5 additional channels for data visualization. Much like the axis, you can assign any number of dimensions, so categorical series, and a single measure, so a continuous variable, to a channel. In this episode, we are focusing on the 4 most frequently used channels, leaving the 5th, the noob channel, for a future session to enhance clarity. First up, the label channel. When data is added, it appears directly on the chart's markers. Here I am displaying popularity values. ipyvizzu automatically determines the best way to position these labels, which is now the top of the markers, but you can set them differently using some styling parameters. For this, we need the style object that will be shown in a later episode. Next, we explore the lightness channel, which assigns varying color intensities to markers based on the values it carries. Here we have matched the measure on the lightness channel with that on the y-axis, meaning both the column's height and the lightness reflect the same popularity values. I've also turned on the legend for the lightness channel using the legend property. While ipyvizzu typically decides whether to display the legend, you can force it to appear, hide it by setting it to none. I show you that. Like this. Or you can revert to the default automatic mode with the auto option. Our third example shows the color channel to change the color of the markers. I put the same dimension on it that is on the x-axis, so the music genres, resulting in each bar having a different color. And additionally, I've set the legend to color, and the value on the lightness channel was removed because it doesn't make sense together in this case. And here's a quick look at what happens when you place a measure on the color channel. Color range comes into play. And moving on the size channel, it will alter the marker's size. After switching our geometry to circle here, I assigned the popularity measure to the size channel, directly affecting the circle's radius. For line charts, for example, size would alter the line width, but note that it has no impact when we are using rectangle or area geometries. And to revert to our original setup, we switch the geometry back to a rectangle and reset all the channels and the legend to none. I trust you found this episode useful. Stay tuned as we uncover options to group and stack elements in our next video.